Welcome back, everyone. Okay, we're days away from Christmas. You would think it would be a lot colder.
I know. Today, really not bad at all, especially for our first full day of winter. It feels more like spring, to be honest with you. But we'll go ahead and start with a look at the radar because some of us are actually looking at a rain-snow mix this morning. It's not a lot, but if I zoom it down, Raton Pass looking at some issues as far as the snow goes. This isn't anything to be worried about. I'm just keeping an eye on those road conditions out along I-25. We actually have a nice time lapse from the Raton Pass up to the north. I'll put it into motion. You can kind of see when we have a little burst of snow here and there. It gets a little bit lighter, a little blurry, so just keep an eye out for that. The rest of the state looks good as far as those morning commute conditions go. The main story for everyone will be the wind. Your sustained winds right now over 20 miles per hour in Santa Fe. Not as bad here in Albuquerque and further to the west, but everyone will see the breeze kick up this afternoon. Strong winds expected to the north and especially to the east as well. Today's day planner shows those low 50s. By lunchtime, we eventually top out in those mid 50s. 56 degrees for the middle, or the end rather, of December is not that bad. Now, again, we'll talk about the winds. We'll also talk about a little bit of some rain and snow mixed in there in that day planner as well. So let's first get to the winds. I want to start your wind cast this morning. Keep in mind the yellow color means about 30 to 50 mile per hour winds. Some of those will be gusts stronger than that, but you could see even by the later end of the lunchtime, it's still windy across most of the northern and central parts of the state. By this evening, western portions of New Mexico will start to see the stronger winds as the bulk of the system to the north pushes to the east. That's really what's fueling all of our weather today. We have a strong system sitting to the north of us, and really the system looks a little bit stronger this morning compared to what I looked at last night before I went to bed. So we'll watch this. It's one of those days where we're going to forecast as we go. I'm still thinking we have a shot to see a little bit of rain here in the Albuquerque metro area. The snow will be further to the north. But watch as they put this into motion. Even by the later end of lunchtime, we're starting to see a little bit. And this is for your evening commute home. Most of this will be rain here in Albuquerque, which is fine. We can handle that. But portions of the northern mountains looking to pick up maybe about 2 to 3 inches of additional snow. By this evening, we'll start to see those showers taper off, and most of that will push off to the east by the time we wake up for tomorrow. So as far as today goes, expect those nice mild temperatures. Even southern Colorado, although it looks cold, we're dealing with most of the rain and snow up to the north and west. So that's why it'll be different tomorrow. As we head to the north and west, upper 40s as high temperatures today. We'll watch for a hit or miss shower this morning. Most of that will push east by this afternoon, but by tomorrow we lose the 40s and 50s. We're down to the 30s with an incoming cold front. South and west, you guys won't see anything in the way of rain or snow. It will be those comfy temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s with plenty of sunshine. South and east, we will see significant wind today. Get ready for that strong wind, about 20-30 miles per hour. Temperatures will be nice, though, in the low 70s by Artesia and Carlsbad. To the north and east we go. It'll be a mix of rain and snow today. Gusty winds at that, and temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s. But you'll notice Las Vegas, 50 degrees today. We're down to the mid-30s by tomorrow. Northern mountains looking at a few inches of snow by the end of the day today. Temperatures will be cold. Angel Fire only looking at about 36. Santa Fe, partly sunny today in the 40s, but by tomorrow you're looking at low 30s as high temperatures. East Mountains looking at 40s and 50s as well, mostly to partly sunny skies. Metro area, again, the chance for a light rain shower for that evening ride home. Breezy conditions about 10 to 20 miles per hour. I'll extend out that 7-day forecast to show you that cold front that moves in tonight moves us down to the low 40s as high temps tomorrow, and we gradually get warmer through Christmas. Christmas Day in the low 50s, but another cold front moves in for the later end of the weekend, meaning cooler temperatures. So if you need more on your forecast, especially a lot of those of us traveling over the next coming days, just tweet me and I can get that to you. But a lot going on today and tomorrow, but by Christmas we'll be quiet here in New Mexico.
Lots going on across the state, though.
Yes, and even I forgot to mention for Christmas Day, northern mountains looking at possibly some snow. So if you are, is that something? I know Christmas traditions, go up to the mountains and stuff.
Sure.
Maybe a little bit of powder.
Hit the ski resorts, nice.
Yeah, awesome,
Thanks,
right?
Kristen. Let's turn to your morning.